Well, it's a rainy day in London, but I can't wait to show off this fabulous flat that we've bought for our American buyers. We are on Finborough Road in the Fulham, Chelsea area. Let's go have a look. Welcome to this lovely flat on Finborough Road in the Earl's Court, Fulham, Chelsea area of London. I'm excited to show you this property because we bought this for our American buyers. It is a fabulous quintessential English property that's been modernized. It's a little over 600 square feet in 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, but it makes really for a perfect pied-à-terre. What's nice is it's on the ground floor, and so while you get the street landscape through the bay windows, it has been double glazed, so you can't hear it, which is really good to have. It also benefits from high ceilings, so that's quite nice. And as I said, it's been modernized over the years. So you've got a contemporary finish. It's nice and bright. You've got multiple lighting sources here, and I really like this space. In the kitchen, it's all electrified, so there's no gas in this property anymore. But it's going to have everything you need. You've got a baby dishwasher, as I say, as well as plenty of storage. And I do think this flat has done a great job with storage. You've got all the overhead counter space that you need. And then you've got a nice pantry system in addition to your fridge freezer. And that's full size, which is quite nice because sometimes you see them as under the counter. I also like the detail of this waterfall countertop, or worktop as they might say. And I think it's just a really beautiful finish. And it naturally, in design-wise, just by having that overhang, it creates a bit of space so you can add bar stools. So depending on how you want to configure the space, you can use it primarily as your living room space. Maybe you can fit a small dining room table in front of the bay windows or in the niche there, or you can just have bar stools and eat most of your meals here, but it does give you that flexibility. But I love the nice high ceilings, the bay windows, which will attract a lot of light on a sunny day. Unfortunately, that's not today, but it's nice and bright. Let's have a look at the bathroom and the rest of the flat. Before we show you the bathroom, what's nice again is that a lot of times in English apartments, they'll put the washing machine in the kitchen. But here they managed to put it into the hallway, so they didn't take precious kitchen space. So that's quite nice. Now we're in the bathroom, and again, the things you want to look for, even in older properties with lots of character, is that the kitchens and bathrooms have been modernized, and that is definitely the case here. I like the finishes, they're neutral, nothing to scream home about, but certainly move-in ready, and that's what you want if you are an overseas buyer, perhaps using this as a second home or potentially as an investment property. This property is absolutely ready to go. Now we are in one of the 2 bedrooms. This is a smaller bedroom. You can use it as an office or a guest room. Definitely you can still fit a double bed in here, depending on how you lay it out. It's got the good ceilings and it has a lovely view into the back garden here. And it's on the quiet side, so it's off the street. So really a pleasant place to be. Again, you've got the engineered wood flooring that's being carried out throughout the flat. Good lighting, good neutral paint color, and really what you want just to be move-in ready, and then you can put your own design and stamp on it. As we head into the master bedroom, we've also got another hallway closet. It's nice and deep. Again, this is so rare, and real estate is so precious in London. So if you can find storage, grab it wherever you can. In this case, we're now in the principal or master bedroom. It's got plenty of wardrobe space, which is quite nice. Again, has a lovely view with trees right out your back window, which is really quite nice. And the space is lovely. This might have been an addition at some point because you do have the lower ceiling heights here, But again, with the flooring that carries all the way through the apartment and the lights that they put in here, it is really quite lovely and pleasant. And again, makes for a great space to design as you need it. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing this flat. I've loved showing it off to you. This is a perfect little pied-à-terre in London. We found it for under £700,000. So it just goes to show that you can find different value points depending on your budget. And my goal is to help you find your perfect piece of London. So if you're thinking about buying or selling, or if you're already an overseas landlord and have properties here, we let and manage properties as well. Please make sure to reach out as we start the new year. If you have goals or aspirations in real estate, we love to help them come true. So check me out on my other social media where we post daily videos about the London property market. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye for now.